A shocking revelation in a long-delayed murder trial. In a dramatic turn of events, ESPN reporters have uncovered the truth about a key witness in the murder case against former Miami Hurricanes football player Rashaun Jones. The witness, Paul Connor, was believed to be dead by Florida prosecutors, but it turns out he's very much alive and living in Louisville, Kentucky. This bombshell revelation has sent shockwaves through the legal system and raises serious questions about the state's case against Jones. With the trial just weeks away, the impact of this discovery is significant. But here's where it gets controversial. Prosecutors, led by Ed Griffith, relied on a public database that seemed to indicate Connor was deceased. They even asked Louisville police to knock on Connor's door, but no documentation or details were provided about this visit. Griffith also curiously pressed an ESPN reporter for the address visited, which was the same address listed in the database. And this is the part most people miss. Connor, now 81, told ESPN he doesn't recall what happened in Miami, and seemed unfamiliar with his prior statements. His memory issues have become a central point of contention, with his cousin Steve Fahey confirming Connor's struggles with memory. The case against Jones relies heavily on Connor's testimony, as he was an eyewitness to the shooting of Bryan Pata, Jones's teammate. Connor picked Jones out of a photo lineup and later identified him in a physical lineup, but his memory lapses now cast doubt on the reliability of his testimony. Jones's attorney, Sarah Alvarez, is appalled by the state's handling of the case. She argues that sending a man to prison for life without solid evidence and then being dishonest about the existing evidence is shameful and disgusting. In a conversation with an ESPN reporter, Jones maintained his innocence, stating he did not kill Pata. He has pleaded not guilty. The trial, currently scheduled for October 6, faces an uncertain future. The impact of Connor's revelation is potentially significant, as stated by Griffith himself. Alvarez plans to question Connor's testimony and the lead detective, Juan Segovia, about alleged lies and misrepresentations of evidence. This case has been plagued by official missteps and delays, frustrating Pata's family, who are still grieving. Jones has been in custody for 4 years, and the loss of Pata's student judicial records is another blow to the case. The question remains, will justice be served, or will this trial be another example of a flawed legal system? What are your thoughts on this controversial case? Do you think the state has a strong enough case against Jones, or has the prosecution overstepped its bounds? Share your opinions in the comments below.